In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an email address. If you've ever wanted the email address in your message to act like a clickable link, this is for you. We'll do it in Outlook on the web, so the process is simple and consistent. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land in your inbox and can compose a message. Click New Mail. A fresh message window opens with the formatting toolbar at the top. In the message body, type your email as you normally would, and make sure the email address you want to turn into a link appears in the body of the message, not in the to line. Think of that address as the visible text people will see and click. Next, drag to highlight that email address in the message body. With the text selected, look at the toolbar above the message and click the hyperlink icon. It usually looks like a small chain link and sits among the formatting tools. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on a Mac to open the same hyperlink window. A small window appears asking for a web address. Paste the web address you want people to visit when they click that highlighted email address. Use the full URL, including the HTTPS part, to avoid broken links and ensure Outlook recognizes it correctly. If your goal is for the click to start a new email instead of opening a web page, you can paste a mail-to-style address here as well. Either way, make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end of the address, since even a stray space can break the link. Click OK to confirm. Your selected text instantly becomes a hyperlink, usually turning blue and underlined. Hover your mouse over it to preview the destination and confirm it looks right before you send. If something isn't correct, simply select the text again, open the hyperlink option, and update the address. And that's it. You opened Outlook, started a new message, added your email content, highlighted the email address you wanted to link, clicked the hyperlink tool, pasted the web address, and confirmed it. Now your readers can click that email address and go exactly where you want them to go, making your message cleaner, more professional, and easier to navigate.